so excited here because I have another business I want to introduce you to. I am here at Harold Shrimp and Chicken here in West Chase area / Energy Corridor. So I am here with Chris, the owner. How are you?
I'm good. How about yourself?
Great. So talk to us about Harold Shrimp and Chicken.
What do you want to know about it?
I want to know everything. I'm a foodie. I love to eat, and I want to tell everybody to come here. So tell me, which type of food do you offer here?
Okay, so we have a variety of chicken, shrimp. Of course, that's in the name, Harold Shrimp and Chicken. And we also have like fish. So we have catfish, tilapia. We have Philly cheesesteak, egg rolls, fried okra, fried Oreos, beignets. We have banana pudding. We have a variety of different things.
Well, that's super cool. And then, so tell me, where this company originated? Is it from Chicago or?
Yeah, it's from Chicago.
Okay.
It's a franchise from Chicago. So it was originally started as just Harold's Chicken. Mm-hmm. And this is another branch of it, which is Harold's Shrimp and Chicken. So that started maybe like 6-7 years ago. And then we bought into that franchise and we brought it to Houston, and it's been good ever since.
That's awesome. So how long have you been in this location right here on Westheimer?
I'm not sure the exact year and months, but on May 28th, it will be 2 years.
Okay.
Yes.
And then, so by being in this location, so what else are you offering? Because I see that the restaurant at this place is pretty big. What else do you offer when people comes down here?
So you can rent out the space if you want to. We have a private room over there. I don't know if you could see it with the camera, but we have a private room where you can do an event if you want to. We have happy hour every day from 4 o'clock to 7 o'clock. And just provide a great environment. We have football games, basketball games, so you can come and enjoy yourself. We have music playing all day, and we have drink specials all day as well.
And what are you open? You open Monday to Sunday?
So on Mondays we're closed, but Tuesday through Sunday we're open. So Tuesday through Thursday we're open from 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. Friday and Saturdays we close at 10. Sundays we close at 6 p.m., but every day we're open at 11 a.m. except Mondays.
Okay, great. So people want to know, you do have this beautiful place, location, restaurant right here. What make you decide to open up this location or to have a restaurant?
Okay, so my partner that I partner with on this location, he actually had a location in Miami.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, and that's my good friend. We grew up together, and we've done other investments as well. So he had a Miami location, and I checked it out, and I was like, this food is pretty good. That was my first time having it. So the food was pretty good. And then he had an idea. He was like, it should come to Houston. And really, it was supposed to be more people in on it, and they, kind of pulled out, and it just ended up being me and him, and we just rocked with it, and it became this. So I never had like aspirations of opening up a restaurant. It was just me being, having an entrepreneur mindset, and I just take a risk, and I took the risk on it, and it paid off.
And I think it's a calculated risk because Houston is the city in the nation that has the most restaurant, right?
Yes.
And then you're in one of the busiest street, Westheimer, who has also the most restaurant in town. So it's a very good and smart risk, don't you think?
Yeah. It's always a calculated risk, of course, but it was a risk. And I don't have restaurant experience. I just know I go to restaurants. I tried the food. The food was good. A lot of things we just had to learn on the fly. And, as every day goes by, we learn more and more every day. So I think it's something that now I'm pretty passionate about.
Okay. What would you give advice for somebody else who's watching and they also would like to, what you should know if you want to open up a restaurant?
So for me to be successful in the restaurant industry, first of all, it's about consistency. Mm-hmm. And it's also about making sure your customer feels appreciated, and having good customer service. I think that goes a long way.
Okay, great. So as you guys know, this is the holiday season, and you do have a special for the holiday. For anybody, don't forget to use the code DBK 2023. So Chris will know that this because you saw this video. So what are the special for the holiday right now?
So the special for the holiday right now, we have every Wednesday, we'll be having 4 wings and 6 wing specials. Okay.
So if you love wings, this is the place. And I know I'm going to try some. It's very smell really, really good. So stay tuned for you to see some more. But okay, so I am here. The food smell generous to my stomach. It smells so good. You know, I say all the time I don't eat meat, but I can't get away from chicken.
You don't eat it?
Not really. Like red meat, like pork, beef and stuff. I stopped about 2 years ago.
Okay.
After when I was pregnant with my last baby number 4. And then, and I really don't touch, you know.
Okay.
But we decided to be vegan. And that was hard.
Vegan, wow.
Yeah, but it's like,
one day.
like, it was hard, but I did it for almost a year.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I did it for almost a year, and then I was like, no, I can't. It's not necessarily.
It's the lifestyle.
It's difficult.
Yeah.
It's really difficult. Everything that you touch and see has meat, component inside, and it was very difficult. Plus, I was breastfeeding at the time, and then I have to make sure I have enough nutrition to feed my baby. So I was just like, you know what? I'm gonna just go pescatarian. So any seafood product, I added that to that. And I don't stress when I have animal fat and grease in food anymore.
Yeah.
And then, but then I love chicken.
Here we go.
So I have maybe once or twice a month, I slice some chicken in my system, and I'm okay with that. So with that said, and this smells delicious. So tell me, so which type of sauce is that again?
It's called mild sauce.
Mm-hmm.
And it's like the special sauce in Chicago.
Oh.
So they have mild sauce like in all the chicken flavors. It's not just like Heroes. So in Chicago, they use mild sauce. It's kind of like similar to, I don't know if you've ever been to Washington, D.C., but they have a sauce called mambo sauce.
I never heard about it.
Okay, so it's like, you know, just like the different type of sauce. It's just like, I don't know if you heard of bang sauce.
Yes.
So it's like, you know, that kind of sauce. It's just a signature sauce.
So okay, signature sauce.
But they put it on the chicken, and it just goes and complements it very well. And
okay.
Really good.
Well, I'm gonna taste it, so anybody from Chicago will know. I'm gonna taste it. Let me try. It's a chicken. I apologize if I'm crazy eating chicken, but I gotta try it. This looks delicious, and I'm gonna really give you my opinion about it. That's pretty good. I feel it. There's a sweet into it.
It's good, huh? You're making me hungry now.
Oh my God.
You are making me hungry now.
And this is good, and I like the way you guys make the chicken also.
Mm-hmm.
It's crispy and tender and well seasoned.
Yeah.
I think I have sauce everywhere on my face. I look crazy, but that's a very good and delicious. This is good. Y'all should come back. You should come here. This is for yourself. And I'm not gonna share this with nobody. Alex, don't ask me for nothing. It's mine.
Yeah, people need to come try. And you know, another thing is why we decided this to be a good idea to bring it here is because Houston really has a lot of different foods from a lot of different places.
Mm-hmm.
Like we have all type of Peruvian, Nigerian, you have Italian, you have Middle Eastern food. So Houston, especially New Orleans, we have a big New Orleans presence, Cajun food.
I'm married to one of them.
Really?
My husband is from New Orleans.
Okay, so yeah, like we have a big presence of different food. So we like, I think Houston, like, cause we don't really have, if you really notice, I don't think Houston has an identity of food.
Not really.
If you want to say barbecue, like Texas barbecue, I guess, but.
No, really. I'm not from here. So when I came here, everybody was telling me, oh, we have the best food, but there's no real true specialty to me.
Yeah, there's no true special. It's just, I think we have a great combination of everybody.
Mm-hmm.
So you could come to Houston and try anything you wanted to try.
Exactly. So if you're foodie, sorry guys, if you're foodie, Harold chicken, shrimp and chicken is the place.
Yeah, you don't have to go to Chicago to try it. You could.
You have Chicago in the house.
Yeah.
And we are right here on Westheimer, West Chase, Westheimer and Dairy Ashford. right next to the energy corridor, and you're right in the middle of Westchase. So come and check this one. This is delicious.
Right next door to Starbucks.
Mm-hmm. Right next door to Starbucks. Oh my God. Okay, I'm going to take this home, and I'll see y'all later. Bye. But Chris, thank you so much for this time, and we truly appreciate you to have us here. You want to say something to say to everybody right now?
Yeah, come and try us out. We have the best wings in the city, best fried wings. They are fried and they are whole wings, not party wings. So come try us out and come try the mild sauce too. That's one of our special sauces. They get it dressed all over the wings. So I think you should try it out and give us a try. I think you'll definitely come back.
My mouth is watering. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. À bientôt and happy holiday.